Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Volvo S60 with a bare roof. This system comprises three components. You have the Evo clamp foot pack, set of four, and the WingBar Evo load bars in either silver or black. And then you have the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the components needed to have these items fit this vehicle perfectly. So let's go into more detail about the fitting kit. The fitting kit includes a set of 4 rubberized metal door frame brackets, as well as 4 contoured rubber base pads. So each of these have numbers assigned to them, which correspond to the numbers on the instruction sheet. Let's go ahead and install the fit kit components onto one of the feet. So I'll just pop off the outer cover. And with that removed, we've already applied a sticker to indicate that this will be the position for the front left. And so all we need to do is just make sure that we have the correct numbers and press the rubber base pads onto the base of the foot. And then the rubberized metal door frame bracket simply clicks into position, and that's essentially what's needed to be done in order to have one foot prepared for installation. Next, we have the load bar. The load bar here is a segment of it, which we've cut so you can see how it's constructed. It's a box beam construction. It's extruded aluminum. There's a dedicated track that runs along the top. That track is accessible from the end cap. You just flip that end cap off to the side, and the necessary hardware slides in between the two pieces of rubber. No need to cut the rubber, and you can slide that back and forth to get the optimum positioning and a very integrated, clean attachment method for certain accessories, such as certain bicycle carriers, ski carriers, and other items. Now, also on the underside here, we have the track that will accommodate the foot. And then here we have a numbered scale, and this scale also will be a number that is assigned with the instruction sheet. So let's go ahead and pull off the end cap. We'll just take that end cap off like that, and then we can go ahead and install the foot. So we've checked to make sure that this is in the correct position according to the instruction sheet. And then here on the inside of the foot, you can see you have these silver tabs, and we'll want to press that silver tab and then slide the top portion of the foot onto the bar, and I'll slide it down until it reaches that smart scale position. Okay, and once it's in that position, we can also fill in the exposed track to maintain the bar's good aerodynamics, and then we can replace the end cap. Okay, next, Thule provides a tool that's used to fasten and hold this metal bracket into place. And so you take this tool and insert it through that center hole to reach the fastener. And as you tighten this tool, once it's fully tightened, it'll click, indicating it is tightened to the correct torque specifications. And next we have the cover, which we'll reinstall. And here you have a plastic plug that's included that you turn a quarter turn to hold this cover in place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with an actual metal locking cylinder. So this lock cylinder, first you remove that plug and insert the lock cylinder, and then you have a very effective theft deterrent for this cover. This is part of Thule's one key system, meaning all 4 of your feet can be locked with the same key when you purchase a set of 4. However, you can purchase additional key matched lock cylinders to allow for other accessories that are attached to the bar to also be key matched. That's part of Thule's overall one key system, making key management very convenient. Okay, so those are all the key features of this Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Volvo S60 sedan with a bare roof. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in the video description for more details about this system, as well as links to the individual components or a link to the complete system pre-configured, as well as a more in-depth installation video that will help with even more detailed steps on the installation of this rack system on the vehicle. Thanks for watching.